Welcome to the Corru-Schred 16D, the equipment for large volume manufacturing of Corru-Fill. You will see the 16D running so you can assess the configuration, speed, and size of the machine. The 16D is a larger capacity shredder combined with a slitter, which accommodates both the smaller and larger capacity shredders. This manufacturer has customized this slitter table with equipment not included with the 16D model. Each manufacturer needs to supply a table based on the size of the space in which the equipment will be stored, production needs, and available production staff. The table should be a temporary reservoir for blanks or slits as they come through the slitter and are held for use by the shredder. The Corru slitter can easily cut any size cardboard into the 4-inch slits, which are the first step in the production process. It is designed with an on-inch notch section to cut through the fold size of any collapsed box. However, it is most efficient to use cardboard of the same general size and shape so the operator can get into a good production rhythm. The slits are fed into the Corru shredder in each of the 3 channels. To take advantage of the machine's optimum speed, 2 people should feed the cardboard at the same time. The operator in this production center can shred between 250 and 350 pounds per hour, although output does vary with the experience and speed of the operator. As the shredder cuts the cardboard into matchstick-like pieces, it forces air into the flutes of the cardboard, expanding the cushioning features of the Corru-Fill. As the Corru-Fill proceeds down the conveyor belt, it passes through a powerful vacuum which pulls off excess dust, resulting in a low-dust fill. Finally, the Corru-Fill receives a light mist of Corru-Chem, a non-toxic sanitizer spray, which dries almost immediately. The Corru-Fill empties directly into a variety of container sizes. The 20-pound bags can be easily filled using a Corru-Filler bag stand. These can be ordered separately from the machines. For large operations, it is recommended that the staff wear ear protection while running the shredder. Although this machine is called a shredder, it actually produces a scissors cut rather than a shredded product. It is the latticing capabilities of these matchstick-like pieces that provide the Corru-Fill's remarkable ability to lattice together and hold items suspended in the center of a box surrounded by 360 degrees of cushioned cardboard. Thank you for your time.